Guide you to the exit.
Get some coconut water.
Somebody have your back up.
Now we stop and get some good old soup. Look at this soup, man. It smells so good. Enjoy it, Papa. Mangoes. It's well, go on day 2 in Jamaica, but first things first, we have to go rescue our luggage because it decided to take a different flight than we. So let's go do that. Yeah. Yummy. I'm a big fan of juicy beef patty. What do they have for us? Red stripe. Smell nice and fresh. Oh my god, that looks pretty good. Oh my goodness. Gonna find some food. And tonight is Jamaican night. Fried fish, curry pork, patty, some coconut sauce, and I think I'm gonna take this one. The famous oxtail. Looks so good. Oxtail gravy, potato salad because it looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You said princess.
10 out of 10. What do you want to put cream in this ice cream? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
Split in the middle.
Day 3.
Good morning.
We're going to get breakfast now, okay?
Thank you.
Hold on, okay?
Make sure that
Yeah, thank you. Sour sop juice. Ooh. Let's go.
First time TV.
Jamaican jerk and Thank you.
You know what this is?
Strawberry daiquiri.
This, them call it pink, something on the other.
I got pina colada.
The food is so good at I'm not know if I'm hungry, but I'm gonna have to go back for a second. Girls are out. It's lovely here in Jamaica. You should come and visit.
We're in Jamaica, where are you?
For the next person to go.
Dinner time. I'm having jerk chicken tonight. Oh my god. Jerk pork tonight. Drop asleep. Hey, Wagwan, it's our last day at the resort, so we're soaking up every last minute before our trip back to St. Thomas to continue our adventure. Breakfast. Oh. The spot, let's go. Mommy, get it. Hey. Where you going?
There's no food.
I'm swinging it.
Mexican night tonight. So one last meal at the resort.
Hi, come on.
again. By the time I got my again, 100 pounds. This time I had some roadside jerk chicken with some kung soup. Yeah. Yeah. My breed. Getting to see them. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Pimento leaf.
Oh.
So beautiful. Look at this water. Clear and nice. We're in Willowfield, St. Thomas. Water so cool.
You want to put in there, Leslie?
Yeah. Steamed fish and okra. Fried mommy. Also went ahead and ordered the same thing. Probably fried chicken wings. About the things that my mama used to do when I pick me, you know. Parch them and peel them. All done. Also stop by the gift shop.
You know we're tall like
I'm gonna try this one. Oh, we're leaving, going back home.